I'm going to give you 5 reasons why it's important to complete a variety of exercises. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, physical stimulation allows our bodies to adapt to different demands. When you add variety to your workout routine, you allow your body to adapt to imposed demands. For instance, if you only lift weights, you're going to become strong. If you only run long distances at a slow pace, your body will respond with increased stamina. Just doing one is not going to make you automatically better at the other. If you add high-intensity training with weights or yoga with aerobics, your body will respond to the challenge by becoming physically stimulated. Number 4, variety helps us stay engaged in physical fitness. Workout variety is important for both your physical and mental health because it helps you from becoming bored with your existing routine. Research shows that adding variety to any exercise program helps us adhere to it because we enjoy our workouts more, so we are more inclined to stick with it when mixing it up. Number 3, different activities burn fat and build muscle in different areas of the body. Fat loss is not everything. Many people work out with me to become stronger, not thinner. The truth is, the human body is a very efficient machine. If you're doing the same exercises every day, it'll adapt and begin burning fewer calories even if you're doing the same amount of exercise. Instead, challenge your body to work harder in a different way to get rid of fat overall or to build muscles in certain areas. Number 2, variety helps prevent overuse injuries. Repetitive strain injuries occur when you perform the same action every day, which could include running, swimming, or hitting a ball. When you mix up your workout, it gives the often overused muscles a break and allows joints and ligaments to rest and recover. If you've been injured, or if simply your knees hurt from running every day, performing a different activity that keeps your legs out of the equation will help reduce further risk of injury. Number 1, physical challenges lead to mental stimulation. Working out is designed to help boost your overall health and well-being, which definitely includes your mind. Pushing yourself to new fitness levels using different activities will keep your brain engaged and responding with endorphins that decrease stress and enhance your mood while combating illnesses and disease. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 6 ways processed foods affect your body. That's it. That's all. See you next time.